Hello viewers, I hope you are fine, and today we have a issue how to remove watermark from filmora and working with online. So I have already installed filmora. You can download this in the description. And first setup is go to control panel and uninstall a program and uninstall this Wondershare helper. After uninstall this and disconnect your internet, it's just first time, and disconnect your internet. After disconnect your internet and open your filmora, you can see this it's unregistered, and I have a email and code you can download in description. It's working 100% and working with online. And open, copy this email and key and paste in the filmora. Click on register and copy here and paste in filmora. Just copy and paste. It's working with online, and click on the register. It has been registered and click OK. And close your filmora and connect your internet. You can see this it's registered and working with online. I hope your issue is solved. If you have any questions, so please you can ask me and comment, and please like this video and subscribe for more issues solution. And you have any another issues, so please tell me and comment. I try to solve your issues. Love you guys, and like this video. Bye, take care yourself. Thank you for watching.